Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I posted this into our Discord group tonight. Just quickly go there and I'll show you this. Okay, here we are in Discord. The traders zone here, pound CAD short. This was on my MT5 account. What I want to do with the video is show you why I took this trade, and we'll have a look at a couple of strategies here. First up, this two chart layout is to do with our level 1 breakout strategy. We've got two levels. Level 1 as in, we'll go back to Discord, Traders Zone, breakouts level 1. And in VIP we have a bit more of an aggressive strategy with this. Okay, so I'll explain both of these. First up, this is our 3-minute chart above, 3-minute and 30-minute chart below breakout strategy. So what we look for is on the 30-minute chart, and we can see this is marking up on both charts. What we look for is the break, a bearish break out of our cloud here, and there is our breakout. Okay, so once we see this breakout, the next thing to check is, are the higher time frames agreeable? This is our multi-time frame indicator from the weekly. Well, we've got the weekly, daily, 4, 2 and 1 hour. Red across the board. So we have the trend in our favor. We've got a breakout to the downside or a bearish break on the 30-minute out of the cloud. And so what we do then is we come into the 3-minute for the opportunity. This here is telling us that we could take this trade on the pullback, retest and fail of the range low. Well, the breakout occurred here. Okay, so we have the break, got this range running through here, and you can see now retest of the range. Okay, so a little bit aggressive getting in with this breakout signal. A more conservative approach is to wait for, see how this is retracing here on the 30-minute. So a more conservative approach is to wait for this to rotate. See how this is rotating up here, and then we get that breakout? You could wait for this to rotate and go for the red break triangle here, and that would be a break of that level. I've jumped in a little bit earlier, going off our other strategy that we've been trading. As you can see, with the 3-minute, 30-minute combo charts strategy, we don't have the red breakout signal yet. This is still trading up. So this is a bit aggressive getting in here. Now taking this to the next level, you see this orange range or this zone through here. I'll show you what that's about. We'll go out to a 3-chart layout. In fact, we'll open the 4-hour chart. So what we've got on the 4-hour is a break of the cloud on the 4-hour. And I'm always looking for, see where we've marked up back here? I'm looking for these setups. Okay, so we can mark this one. So wherever you see a strong impulsive move, we're going to look for the range from which the move originated, and we can mark that up. I'll just mark it with this white shaded thing here. Notice some of these back here. So we had this move, we've had this one here. All right, so notice the market traded back into these. There's a trade. Market traded back into it all through here. Okay, so there's a trade, and we're getting some really nice risk reward outcomes by taking these. They're fairly deep pullbacks. Now this one here, it's a fairly tight setup. Okay, we had this move and it's traded back into it, and it's still kind of messing around through this range here. Okay, now that could trade go anywhere. It could wick above. Okay, we do have this double top highs here, so I mean it wouldn't surprise me this wicks up into, market's always looking for liquidity, so resting liquidity above this range. Okay, it could wick back up into this and then roll over. So in that case, I have my stop loss above, let's find the level. Okay, pound CAD, my stop loss level is 1,605.18, giving it a bit of room to breathe. And of course, you know, we're looking for a decent risk reward. I mean, if this gains traction, I'll be looking to pull this down and go for a minimum of 5 to 1 risk reward, preferably 10. And then we just trail price, use a trailing stop. In any case, stop loss at 60518. Take it out to the daily. So I'm giving this plenty of room to breathe. 60 is up here, up around this other order block. We're going for a higher time frame, 60 somewhere there. But what I'm going to be looking for is take it out to the daily, 5 to 1 more or less, something like that. If you had traded this up here on this breakout back here, look at the outcome. This is what I'm talking about. Let's say we took this trade. I probably would have taken it here. Okay, we've got the trend, pull back into the order block up here. That would have been my short. And just look at the outcome here. These are the kind of trades you want. Fairly tight stop, and so far, 8 to 1, more or less. So here's the thing. This trade covers me, okay, 8 to 1 risk reward. Here's my risk. Say out of 8 trades, we have 7 losers. All you need is one of them to break even. Think about that for a bit. With this risk rewards arrangement, 8 to 1, I can lose 7 trades, and with one winner, I break even. So with that in mind, what we're looking at here is taking these trades. Let me just run through this. I want to show you something. Let's see how many losers we get. I mean, these are the kind of trades I'm talking about taking. And you can see that these here have a green tick. So if we go through quickly, okay, green ticks across the board. Green ticks across the board, you can see them. And let me just take out the trend channel for a second. There'll be a couple of red ones here somewhere. These are actual trades that I've sent to VIP or been back testing. 10 trades so far. We haven't seen a loser yet. What do we got here? This is the CAD yen. Look at that. It's traded back up into this order block here. Do we have a... Okay, that could be something. I might let this one go. But look, so far, honestly, 10 trades. Okay, so if we're going to go for a 10 to 1 risk reward on these, you can afford to lose 9 of these because the 10th trade will break even. Guys, so far we haven't had a losing trade here. That one is questionable. Depends where your stop loss was. Right? These are all winning trades. That's what I'm saying. Got one losing trade here. All right. So same strategy. The pull back into this order block and it traded straight through it. Okay, so one losing trade out of however many. Oh, but look at the risk reward we're getting out of these. Short position. Look, here's your entry point. Stop loss above. What do we got here? This is a 13 to 1 risk reward here. I'll just average out our entry. Stop loss above. I don't know, what have we got so far? 4 to 1. Right, some of these will give us a bit more. Even if we average them out at 5 to 1. So we could afford 4 losing trades if one of them hits our target at 5 to 1. Look at this. There's your 5 to 1. The thing is, we're not losing 4 trades in a row. The losses are few and far between. They're there, but there's not a lot of them. Okay, and any losses we do experience, it's just the cost of doing business. But I mean, look at these trades. These are the trade signals that I'm going to be sending into VIP. This is what we're looking at. 8 to 1 risk reward right here. Guys, join me on this journey. Let me show you something. Go into Discord here. If we go down, I've jumped on board the Fivers 100K Bootcamp. Jump onto Discord. It's free to join. And check this out if this is of interest. The income potential here is incredible. Work in your pajamas. I've taken on the 100K Bootcamp. Here's their website and funding programs. I like this one. There's nothing else out there like this. You can read all about it. I won't go through it, but I think this is an incredible opportunity. Very low entry cost. And once you pass your challenge, these 3 challenges here, you get funded 100K. I did a bit of a calculation here. And yeah, I mean, I'm on board with these guys. I think they're fantastic. I love the program. You're welcome to join me. I'm posting my trades into the VIP Traders Zone here. Go up here, join VIP. Seriously, it's the thing I say in every video. Shout me a cup of coffee and a cake each month and gain full access to everything that's going on in here. As always, safe trading and see you in the next video.